Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, Accessing Windows File Explorer, I'm going to show you how you can both access Windows File Explorer and use that skill to access your Eclipse files. This can help you if you ever need to retrieve files from an old computer or from someone else's computer, but you can't open Eclipse, or if you want to copy your files through Windows Explorer for any other reason. There are three ways to access Windows File Explorer. First is through the File Manager in Eclipse. This is via the Explore button at the top. Next is from the Start menu in Windows. And last is via the keyboard shortcut, the Windows key plus E. What is the Windows key? It typically is found between the Control key and the Alt key, or the FN key and the Alt key, and it has the little Windows icon on it. You can use this key plus the E key, just like you would use Control G in Eclipse to start a global. You would first hit Control and then G. In order to open Windows File Explorer, you would first hit the Windows key and then E. First, I'm going to show you how to access File Explorer through Eclipse. I can go to Tools, File Manager, or hit Control F once. In this window, I can hit Control F once again to go to the Windows File Explorer view of whichever folder I have open, or I can hit the Explore button. So if I hit the Explore button here, it will take me to the Windows view of those same files. If I switch to my block folder and press Explore again, I'm taken directly to my block folder. And you see that if I click on the address bar here, I'm given the exact location on my computer where this folder can be found. And again, if I go back to my job folder and hit Explore or Control F again and click in the address bar, I'm given the location of this folder. So again, to access Windows File Explorer, all you have to do is hit Control F. And if you want to access your job folder, simply hit Control F again. Or select whichever tab you'd like to access and press Explore. Accessing File Explorer this way will take you directly to the relevant files on your computer for Eclipse from whichever tab you've selected. However, sometimes you may not be able to open Eclipse because you may be using a computer that is from an old version that didn't have a keyless license, or from a colleague who has retired. And so you need to retrieve the files directly. To do that, you can access File Explorer two ways. You can go to Start, Documents, and in here, there's going to be an Eclipse folder, and then here you see my Ashley folder. And this will take me to the same set of files with the same address directory as was listed when I accessed this folder through the File Manager directly in Eclipse. And I can double-click into my Blocks folder and view all of those files as well. At this point, I can select any files that I need to and move them, copy them, delete them, or do anything that I may need to do with them. Additionally, I can access File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and the letter E. This will take me to a more general File Explorer window. This will show me folders that I frequent, as well as files that I've recently updated. From this window, you can navigate to the location that Eclipse stores files. By default, as shown in the previous examples, this is going to be Documents, Eclipse, and your name, which in this case is Ashley. And again, I'll see all of those same files, and if I click in the address bar, I see that the same location is listed as when I accessed this location through all of the other means. So no matter how you get here, you're going to see the same content, and you can do whatever you need to do with it. And as a quick aside, you can press Control W to close any File Explorer window. And so you can press Windows key E to open File Explorer, and I can press Control W to close it. Don't forget that Advantage offers anytime support. Technical support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.